So enjoy and keep it on, guys. We'll keep you on details when we arrive and everything between. So what's up, guys? How are you doing? So a new day with a new challenge, with a new excitement. Today we are heading to a desert. It's called Badia Desert. So we will stay the night there, and after that we are heading to an excitement place for the upstreams, and it's gonna be on the Wadi Kabir. So watch up and keep it on. And before getting to details, today a new guest gonna join me. So comment below who you think gonna join me today. Before getting to our excitement, so enjoy and keep it on, guys. We'll keep you on details when we arrive and everything between. So, and here we go, guys. So I'm heading to now in the car, and I'll show you my new guest. He's waiting over there. يلا يبا خلع
من زمان فين محمد؟
هو انتظر
الكاميرات ها؟
ايوه هذا وصلنا مع الشباب يتجهزوا.
صور
اكيد كيف الكوتش؟ بلغنا الى وين؟
والله اليوم رايحين ان شاء الله الى بديه، الى رمال بديه، رايحين نخيم.
ايوه
بكره ان شاء الله عندنا ابسيلينج في وادي بني خالد، اريدكم تتابعونا في وادي حاور.
يلا جايز تشيك ات اوت. مجايب حول هذا حول والله انت تجهيزات الرحله كذا.
تجهيزات الرحله.
خلا
وصلنا نص الدرب. الحين الشباب ينسخوا توايرهم. Hey, what's up, guys? We finally arrived to our destination, which is an wahiba desert. So tomorrow morning we're heading for the upceilings, and I will just show you a couple of cinematic views if I could take it in early morning with the sunshine. We are heading to the guys where we are heading tomorrow.
Tomorrow inshallah we'll go to Wadi Bni Khalid, Hawer. We have two upsealing in water flow. Inshallah we'll be there with a strong team.
I see.
مسرحية؟
ها؟ مسرحية تسوي لنا لعبة.
يلا مسرحية.
تقول لنا قصة، لكن مسرحية ما حد معك. تمثل وحدك؟
لا بنعلمك كيف تسوي. خلاص دقائق بس.
هذه قصيرة بتكون.
Good morning, guys. I'm out of my breath because I was walking a long distance. Let me show you the views, guys. Woo! Woo! First, before showing the view, we woke up with a little noise. So let's check it out. Okay, let's go and check the other guys. Good morning, guys.
Morning, bro.
Morning.
That's my father. I'm sorry for her. Yeah, you can feel the pain on those guys who's living over here, and the others is drifting. This is their home. Okay, and people are just kind of bothering them by the song. What's your opinion about what just happened?
Everything okay. We don't care about them.
Okay, so how was your night today?
Oh, very nice. And today we'll move to Wadi Bni Khalid.
Inshallah. Okay, guys, be prepared. We're heading to Wadi Bni Khalid after a couple minutes, after taking a couple cinematic views. So, enjoy.
بيضة بيضة.
قال الطبيب بيضة. أشياء الطبيب قال بيضة. أيوة.
بيضة بيضة.
صورنا فيديو.
بيضة.
Now that he's preparing, I'm gonna be the next. Where's your cloth, man? Okay, guys, preparing for the upsealing. Wait for the other one, guys. Everyone is preparing. Safety is our first priority.
Hi guys.
Tell me your excitement.
Very excited. It's my second time doing the adventure here.
بجلس على العيد الوطني وعيد الاتحاد وبرضه.
برأيك شباب عمان برأيك بتشوفي.
مرتين. نريد أول شيء حركة عددنا مواعيد بسيط.
No, we normally hike here, but they wanted to see it, so we just walked to the start and
Oh, I see.
go in.
Then welcome to the area again, I guess.
Thanks.
So guys, we're starting our trip, so enjoy. It looks like it's gonna be nice. Woo woo! This is Oman, baby. Two hands ولا one hand can? ها كيف؟
واصل
كم من تبع 10 متر 20 متر 30 متر.
صور جماعة. Guys, check this out, guys. Oh my god. No way. Check this out. And more is coming, guys. More is coming. جاهز؟ هذيك احسن ولا لا؟
انت روح يا ماسكينك روح عشان نشوف. افتح رجلك ها؟
ايوه شيء
افتح رجلك.
لا
ما يفتح
ما يفتح.
اوكي.
عز عمرك.
ايوه. افتح رجلك وقف سيده.